Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're addressing a fundamental question about fasting: which organs are most affected when we abstain from food? It's a topic that touches upon the core mechanisms of how our bodies respond to periods without nourishment. We'll explore the initial responders, the organs that play crucial roles in maintaining balance during fasting, and those that might experience longer-term adaptations. Understanding which organs are engaged during fasting can shed light on its potential benefits and also highlight areas where we need to be mindful. So, if you've ever wondered how fasting ripples through your internal systems, you're in the right place. Let's take a look inside. When the body enters a fasted state, several organs immediately begin to adjust their function to maintain energy homeostasis. The pancreas is one of the first responders. As blood glucose levels drop after the last meal, the pancreas reduces its secretion of insulin, a hormone that promotes glucose storage. Simultaneously, it increases the release of glycogen, a hormone that signals the liver to release stored glucose back into the bloodstream. This interplay between insulin and glucagon, orchestrated by the pancreas, is crucial for keeping blood sugar levels within a normal range during the initial hours of fasting. The liver is another key organ significantly affected by fasting. It acts as the primary glucose reservoir, storing glucose in the form of glycogen. In the early stages of fasting, glucagon signals the liver to break down this glycogen into glucose and release it into the circulation, providing energy for the brain and other tissues. As fasting continues and glycogen stores become depleted, the liver takes on the crucial role of gluconeogenesis, the synthesis of new glucose from non-carbohydrate sources like amino acids and glycerol. The liver also becomes more active in fat metabolism during fasting, converting fatty acids into ketone bodies, which can serve as an alternative fuel source, particularly for the brain. Adipose tissue, or body fat, is also significantly involved. When the body's immediate energy sources, glucose and glycogen, start to run low, hormones trigger the breakdown of stored triglycerides in adipose tissue into fatty acids and glycerol. These are then released into the bloodstream to be used as fuel by various organs, including the muscles and liver. The digestive system, including the stomach and intestines, is notably affected by the absence of food. These organs get a period of rest from the continuous work of digestion and absorption. Gastric acid production may decrease, and the motility of the intestines slows down. This rest period is one of the reasons why some people find fasting beneficial for digestive issues. Over longer periods of fasting, other organs become more involved in adapting to the energy deficit. The kidneys play a crucial role in conserving electrolytes in water, which can be affected by metabolic shifts during fasting. They also participate in gluconeogenesis to a lesser extent than the liver. The skeletal muscles, while not primarily an energy storage organ like the liver or adipose tissue, can be broken down to provide amino acids for gluconeogenesis if fasting is prolonged and the body's fat reserves are depleted. However, the body tries to conserve muscle mass as much as possible. The brain, while heavily reliant on glucose for energy, can adapt to use ketone bodies as an alternative fuel source during prolonged fasting. This adaptation is crucial for survival as it reduces the brain's demand for glucose, thus sparing protein breakdown for gluconeogenesis. In summary, fasting affects multiple organs in a coordinated manner to maintain energy balance. The pancreas, liver, and adipose tissue are among the first to respond, followed by the digestive system, kidneys, and eventually the brain and muscles adapting to the altered metabolic state. The specific organs most affected and the nature of that impact depend on the duration and type of fast. It's a complex interplay of hormonal signals and metabolic pathways that allows the body to function even in the absence of food intake.